Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home we're back in the kitchen today. It is Friday, December 13th, so welcome to Friday, welcome to the weekend. And it is also on to mission number 10, that's right, 10, of our Fly Ladies Super Cruising missions. So as you know, she gives us these missions just to help us stay ahead of things and think ahead a little bit and get things done in short increments of time so that we're ready for the holidays and we're not so stressed and we can enjoy things. So the mission for today, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started, is she gives you 15 minutes. She just wants you to set your timer for 15 minutes and get some gifts wrapped or do some decorating. So I have pre-cut some paper here so that I can talk to you and wrap as we go. And I'm just gonna try to knock a few of these little things out. And hopefully you've been following along, and even if you just do one or two missions here and there, it can all help just make you feel a little bit less stressed and like you're a little more prepared. I know yesterday I sat down and I made my list of what groceries I needed to get. I think today I'm actually just going to run to town and get what we need, and yeah, then we'll be ready for family coming over tonight, so that'll be fun. We have the little Christmas walks tonight, so everyone's coming over, and I'll have my mulled wine going in the crock pot, which will not only smell good but taste good. And then I do a little hot chocolate bar for the kids so they can all have something as a fun treat as well. And what else? Then I think the rest of the weekend we don't have very much going on. We are supposed to possibly get snow. So yesterday it was fairly warm. It was in the late upper 40s, I think low 50s at the highest. I'm not even sure it got up to 50, but it seemed warm. The sun was out. I still need to try and get a few Christmas lights up on the porch, and if I don't, then I don't, but maybe today, because I think today is supposed to be fairly warm too, in the low 50s. But then after that, they're calling for a little bit of snow over the weekend. So, and it's snow showers, so that's always the kind of wet, messy stuff that if we get below freezing at night, which right now we are usually getting below freezing at night, then it becomes icy, so it's always something to kind of keep an eye on. But thankfully we don't have anywhere we have to go in the evening that I know of. Yeah, so we're just going to be cruising along, getting ready for Christmas, which is coming up pretty quickly. What else? I've already done my morning routine today, so we got out the door and did our usual walk to school. So I walk my daughter to school. She goes to school just down and up and around the corner. It's not very far at all, just maybe like 2 of our little town blocks, but we live in a very hilly town. So I get she and I both get a little exercise on the walk to school each morning, and then after I leave her at school and send her on her merry way, then I keep going and I walk through town and hit both of the highest points on either corner of town, so I make sure I get lots of hills in myself. And it's been a good habit. I just have started doing that this really this school year, since she started kindergarten in August, and so I'm continuing on. I typically don't get to do it very much over the weekend, but if I'm even just doing it 4 or 5 days a week, that's a lot for me, and I feel good doing that. So anyway, I came home from my walk and got cleaned up, got dressed, and I had already put my load of laundry in before we left this morning, so that was ready to be switched, and put that in the dryer. So once I get done with this, then I will head back to the laundry area and switch that and get everything folded and put away. And I'm going to continue on. I think, yes, after that I probably need to head to town and get my errands run for the day. Look at that, I've got 2 already. I'm not even sure how long have we been talking. 4.5 minutes, okay, almost 5. So lots has gotten done already in just a few minutes. So hopefully you have your Christmas plans kind of moving along. Even if you're not doing much, it's just nice to be thinking about the holidays and some of the excitement of the new year coming. And as you know, on Monday I'll be back with the last of our super cruising missions. So the super cruising missions will go next week, Monday through Friday. And then after that, we'll take a break and enjoy Christmas and the holidays. And there are going to be some cleanup missions, so stay tuned for that after the holidays. And I think after the new year, then the Fly Lady does cleanup missions. So there'll just be, I think, maybe 10 of those. And they're just little tasks kind of like this, where she says, set your timer and go, you know, put away all of your lights, or go put away one box of Christmas ornaments, or whatever the case may be. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming, but for now, let's keep plugging away with our Christmas list and getting things taken care of. And if you follow the Fly Lady system, then you also know that she has a habit each month that she focuses on in her planning and in her system. So for the month of December, the habit is pampering and taking care of ourselves, which I think is very appropriate. So yesterday I did a quick polish change and got my nails kind of cleaned up again, looking nice, and had some tea. And then last night we had a nice quiet evening at home, and I was able to do a little more knitting on my knitting project, which is just really for fun. My daughter will get it in the end. It'll be a little scarf for her, but I'm really just doing it because I'm enjoying it, and it's a nice way to relax, even if it's just for 5 or 10 minutes. Sometimes that's all I get, and I then have to get up and go to the next thing, or it's time for bed or whatever, but it's nice just to do that thing that I enjoy when I can. All right, so that is your mission for today. What do I have left? I have 2 presents left that are in my little stack here of books and things. And then I need to go down and probably grab 1 or 2 more if I can. How much time do we have left? 7? Okay. So yes, if I can keep going, then I'll get these wrapped and grab a few more off the stack and get a few more done. So I'm going to leave you there. Hopefully you've managed to get some things done. You can always watch while you're taking care of something else around your home, either some of your holiday missions or just, you know, folding a load of laundry, that sort of thing. So, all right, I'll leave it there because I'm going to get distracted. Okay, thanks for joining me. I hope you're having a great Friday, and if you have any holiday plans this weekend, I hope they are fun and relaxing and you get to enjoy them. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so you can catch up with me on Monday when we get into the final week of our super cruising missions. And I will look forward to seeing you then. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.